We had to finish our PhD remotely due to this COVID situation, but we managed to do it. And our next destination for future job was Sydney, Australia. We got our visa for Australia in no time, but our travel was delayed due to increase in COVID cases during the second wave of coronavirus in India. This actually limited the flights and some of them were temporarily banned. So we had to wait until the flight's operation resumed. But meanwhile, we registered with DFAT, which helped us to get flights, repatriation flights, as well as travel exemption. We also joined some groups on Facebook to get help with that. And we continuously used to check on DFAT website to get the flight. They provide some code and unique link for you to book the flight if you want to get the repatriation flight. But we tried many times and failed to book because just within few seconds the ticket used to go. But on one fine day, I was just randomly checking and we got ticket on 6th July for the 10th July flight. And the next immediate step was to get quarantine in Delhi for 3 days. First we got tickets for Delhi, and mind you, they were very expensive because it was just a day. But somehow we managed to go there. We did not receive the confirmation email from Qantas about the DFAT flight, but still we took a risk and landed into Delhi. By the time we landed in Delhi, we received confirmation emails and also details about the hotel where we need to quarantine for the 3 days. The mandatory quarantine before we leave for Darwin, the first city in Australia where we will do our 14 days quarantine. The hotel where we were allotted was the Leela Palace in New Delhi. Once we reached there, we were asked to do a rapid antigen test, and if you get the negative test, then they will allot you a room in the Leela Palace. Expenses for Leela Palace were included in the Qantas tickets. The Leela Palace rooms were quite luxurious and royal. And this was our first experience in such a 5-star hotel in India. As you can see, the rooms were quite good and with lot of lights and provided basic amenities. In Delhi, in the 3-day quarantine, there were 3 tests for COVID-19. One of them was RT-PCR and 2 were rapid before leaving to Darwin. In the hotel, the Qantas Airlines provided us 4-course meal, the breakfast, lunch, high tea and dinner at the night. This was the view from our room. And it also has a study table, TV. Doing thorough exercise was one of the routine in addition to do work from home, watching movies and browsing internet in this 3 days quarantine. On the 4th day, a bus was arranged for us to head to Delhi airport to depart for Australia, along with dinner packed for the journey. As we reached the airport, we first moved to the desk and got our boarding passes ready with the green signal to go to Australia, the most awaited journey of the last 2 months. Don't forget to carry your multiple adapter plug as they are not available in quarantine facility in Darwin. See you in next video in Darwin.